Our chef Amy begins her risotto with leek and asparagus. Now she's slicing the leek. Amy, I think your knife needs sharpening soon. Next, slice the asparagus in half, ready for the pan. Now add the asparagus into the boiling water. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Once it's perfectly cooked, the asparagus goes straight into the blender. Now let the blender do the work, smooth, creamy, and perfect. Meanwhile, the veggie soup is heating on the side. Oil in. Ooh, Amy, that's a lot of oil. Leeks in. Let them saute. Now add the boiled rice and stir fry. Flavor ingredient time. Let the alcohol simmer so it can evaporate. Now begin adding the heated vegetable soup a little at a time. Keep adding soup until the rice absorbs and cook through. Now add the asparagus puree. Add some cooked asparagus. Perfectly cooked and done. Time to shape the cheese with a fruit peeler. Classic Amy. Peeler filled, hence win. Oh, that's not just sprinkling, that's universe level confetti. What do you think of her cooking? Judge her in comments or share your recipe. She would love to learn from you. See you next time. Bye.